Hi, welcome to Craft Habit. Right now I'm going to show you how to attach a jump ring to a chain or use a jump ring to attach a clasp to a chain. A jump ring is just a tiny circle of metal, it's made of wire, that has a little opening in it or is solid. In this case, this is a solid jump ring, there's no opening. Because we want to attach this clasp to this chain, we need what's called an open jump ring. And I'm going to lift this up so you can see it a little better. I've already actually opened this one up. And I did that by gripping it between two sets of pliers. It was closed like this, and I opened it this way. I bent one side away from me and one side toward me. I'm going to go ahead and place this clasp on the ring and then attach it to the chain. And then I'm going to close it up again. You can use this technique to make your own necklaces, or you can use it to repair things that have broken. Thanks for watching.